Hello, my dear parents and the sweet little kids. Welcome to epic series Ramayana, the story of Lord Rama and Sita. We are discussing about the Balakanda, which is the first Kanda in Ramayana. And so far in Balakanda, we have followed the birth of Lord Rama with Lakshmana, Satrughna and Bharata as the four sons of King Dasharatha with three queens Kausalya, Sumitra and Kaikeyi in the city of Ayodhya. The four boys were educated by the sage Vasishtha in administrative, warfare, archery and all the skills that are needed to become the kings. Now, in part 2, we are going to see how Lord Rama is going to kill the first demon in his life. As the four boys grew up, one day Brahmarishi Vishwamitra came into the city of Ayodhya with his followers. They wanted to perform a yaga which is good for all the people living on this earth. So they had an hermitage and they started a yaga and did the yaga. When the yaga was about to complete, two demons, Maricha and Subha, came and disturbed them, throwing the meat, flesh and blood into the altar. That means in the Yaga Kund where the fire is there, into that they have thrown meat and blood. Oh, so the Yaga got stopped. Vishwamitra was upset and he knew that only Lord Rama can kill these demons. No other man can kill them. Only Lord Rama can do it. So what did he do? He went to Vishwamitra, went to Dasharatha and asked him to send Lord Rama along with him so that he will kill the demons and they can do the yaga happily. But King Dasharatha was so tensed. Lord Rama is very young. How can he kill the demons? Is it possible? How can I send Lord Rama all alone? All these questions rose in Dasharatha's mind. But sage Vasishtha, he gave an advice to Dasharatha asking him to send Lord Rama and it is safe for him with Brahmarishi Vishwamitra. But still Dasharatha was not so confident, so he sent Rama and along with Lakshmana to the hermitage of Brahmarishi Vishwamitra. So both Lord Rama and Lakshmana started going to the jungle. In the way, Vishwamitra is a very, very big saint. So he knows lots of knowledge. While they were traveling to the hermitage, Vishwamitra narrated him all the stories of old kings, heroes, how they lived, and also gave him the knowledge of mantra, which is Bala Atibala mantra, which is like to free the fatigue or old age. See, while studying we go on to sleep, right? All such things will shoo with this mantra, Bala Atibala mantra. That one is a gift from Vishwamitra to the two boys, Lord Rama and Lakshmana, as they travelled. On the way, there was a very big forest. So they have to cross the forest and go. But in the forest, there was a very big demon, Tataki. In the picture you can see her. See how furious her face is. So scary, right? That demon lives in that forest and she don't like anybody coming into the forest. So as Rama, Lakshmana and Vishwamitra moved through the forest, she got angry and started fighting with Rama. So Vishwamitra ordered Rama to kill Tataki. Rama, what did he do? he prayed God took one single arrow and shoo. What did he do? He aimed at Tataki and released the arrow. What happened to Tataki? She fell dead. Just one arrow, Tataki was dead. Good, right? Now happily, Lord Rama, Lakshmana and Vishwamitra moved to Vishwamitra's hermitage, which is the sage's place where the yaga is being conducted. There, what happened? They again started the yaga and Maricha and Subha came. As soon as Vishwamitra started the yaga again, first one was stopped, right? The second one, again he cleared the place and started doing the yaga again. Again the two demons came. It was a big fight between Lord Rama and the two demons Maricha and Subha. Lakshmana and Rama both fought with the demons. It was a very, very big fight, and finally, with lots and lots of arrows, Lord Rama killed Subha and Maricha. How did he kill them? With one arrow stuck to Maricha, and the arrow threw him into the ocean long away, in miles away. That arrow was so powerful that it stuck to Maricha, and the Maricha was thrown away into the ocean. That forcibly Lord Rama killed the two demons. Finally, the demons are killed, and all the followers of Vishwamitra, the sages, were happy, and they all sat together and completed the yaga. In this story, Lord Rama and Lakshmana together killed three demons. First one was Tataki, then Maricha and Subha. This was the first battle that Lord Rama did against the demons and killed the bad. This was part 2 of Balakanda, describing the fight between Lord Rama and demons for the first time. And in the next part of Balakanda, I am going to bring you the story of how Lord Rama meets Sita. Until then, think about the story, remember all the members that are there in the story, how it happened, and analyze it. I will soon be back with part 3. Until then, take care and be happy.